Welcome to another Caristix Pinpoint how-to video. In today's scenario, we want to find and diagnose an invalid HL7 message from a large set of messages. Okay, let's start. Let's say that our integration engine is complaining about having an invalid value for PID 8, administrative sex. Open a set of messages from a flat file, or you can access messages directly from an integration engine using the connector's capability. Then right-click PID 8 and select Add Data Distribution. Then navigate to the Data Distribution Results tab. See, all actual values contained in your messages will be listed here. My instinct tells me that there is something wrong with the value 1. Let's dig deeper. Right-click that value and select Add Data Filter, and go back to the Messages tab. You'll see all messages having PID 8 value equals to 1. Then you can go further down the analysis and open the Edit and Validate window. From there, you will see why this value isn't compliant with your spec. In that case, the value 1 isn't listed as a possible value for that field. That's it. This ends the Diagnose Your Data how-to video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We love questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.